tradition, you will see in the entire Old Testament that their God, Jahweh, or Yahweh, was very jealous, very individualistic. I'm the only God, it or he or she says, and very violent. In Islam, God became final, superior, and superseding everything and anything done before. Now, we have to believe that, of course, Allah of the Quran in Islam is the same God as the Old Testaments and the New Testaments. So there's a whole issue there that we cannot really grasp easily without in-depth analysis. The common denominator of prophetic religions, with that I mean especially Christianity, which believes in the prophets of the Old Testament, and Judaism and Islam, what is common among them is that they believe in the apocalypse, which means there will be a day of judgment in some way or form, day of reckoning, day of judgment, where one will go to heaven or to hell or purgatory. So, if we may believe the apocalyptical doctrine, then it itself explains or shows that they may not be very true, because 2,000 years on after Christianity, 4,000 or 5,000 years after Judaism, you still have a world going strong. So if you have to believe the apocalyptical doctrine, you are a bit in a problem, because there is no explanation here as to why we are going strong. Technologically, in advancement, it's quite interesting to see that instead of worse, the world is going well. Of course, minus the environmental issues.